Okay guys, back again. When you hear that fast blinker, you got a signal light out. So it's letting you know it's on the left side. But if you want to double check, we have it set to left. There's my blinker, right? And if you want to double check, flip it over to the right side. So see? That's where the little latch is. So you know it's that one. You come right there, and this one's it. So you'll just turn this to the left, counterclockwise. Turn it to the left, comes out. Since it's busted, you can go ahead and take your bulb out by your hand. So we'll take it out and we'll go replace that, okay? I went ahead and got my bulbs. I got them for like 10 bucks. For this 2013 Tundra, that's the code. If you go to AutoZone. I went ahead and got some of this bulb grease. Moisture proof, prevents corrosion, and it's easy to get the bulb out. I'm kind of doing this one-handed, but I'm just putting a little bit of grease. I'll never touch the bulbs. Just putting a little grease in there. A lot of grease actually. I'm gonna push it until it locks in place. Put it in. Lock it to the right. We'll do the same to the other side. This one's just in a tighter spot. Just pull it out, do the same thing. We'll pull this one out and we'll replace it. If I'm doing it with one hand, guys, you can do it with two, right? Push it in place. If you see the hole, see where it's supposed to be? So you'll just turn it in, put it in, turn it, and lock it. It's in place now. Okay, that's it. Right, blinker. We just replaced them both. It comes with a 2-pack, so just replace them. You're good to go. Takes like 5 minutes, guys. If you like the video, like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.